Now variety of event names we are having. There are some unknown logs, there are some user locked out, user account changed, user account unlocked, enabled, disabled, search executed, API. Now again, because some logs were there, let me make it 15 minutes. It would be more. See, there are some virus detected logs, email worms, traffic, command and control traffic, some sort of suspicious type of data we are getting. So what we did, you should be clear. First of all, we gone to the last 15 minutes of logs, and when then we grouped with the event name. You can do both the ways. Even instead of event name, you can do what are the source IP, that is sharing the logs. So what does this mean? 13.11, see, this is multiple. 194.150 is sharing communication with 25 destination IP, and the total count were 76. 10,000 logs are of this IP address. We should start searching out why this is making some session. Is it a genuine IP address? Is it a malicious IP address? We should check the communication. The ports. See, here there are multiple ports. If I just try to see what are the different ports, it would give me. See, it already grouped by destination port. There is some 16,000 ports, there is some 13,000. Total of 77 ports are there. Why? Because here also see, there are 77 different unique ports were being observed, communicating with this IP address with multiple destination IP address. This was the backdoor detected, some sort of very suspicious or log you may consider. Now let's see. Again, I would group it with the help of event name. What are the variety of event names I'm getting? I would go, okay, virus detected. I would go here and see. It is showing me event name would be now virus detected. Why? Because we have grouped it. Now I want another filter. Inside my virus detected, what are the source IPs? So now I would be getting what results, that this is my source IP that is sharing some sort of virus related communication over the port, over the IP address, all sort of details would be getting. Now 25 and 20 counts are there of this one. I should start. Now there are two filters. First one was virus detected, then source IP, like grouping by the IP address, and then just only this IP address that is communicating. Now I would now see the real event. This I need to analyze. We can, so I would show you. Now let's see. See, there is a document.zip and there is a virus name. I'm not seeing this here. How do we extract this? We would consider everything later, but here there is an option. If you want to extract one property, extract property is the button. You need to click it. You should know what do we need to take it out. See, I want document.zip is the source of the virus. How did the virus came? It was with the document.zip thing. So I need some sort of things to get here. First of all, before that, I need to read few things, because this was deny readme.exe, readme.exe, deny. Okay, I am getting some sort of um, information. Let's see. Deny is my, everything in the virus related is by default getting denied. So I want a new property, that is virus source. Very good, it identified virus source. Here I would write the regex. But okay, deny is my keyword. See, here it got highlighted. After deny, there is a comma. If I can just make it small. Yeah. After deny, there is a comma. Then there would be the double colon till the another comma you want. Dot. Now round bracket start. What we need to capture? Body dot something, that anything that is written here, that should be copied. Dot star star question mark. See, now the body.pif is getting highlighted. If I just click here and if I test matching your expression has been highlighted in the payload body.pif. Let's see. Now somewhere in my the information it would be getting. See here, it is a custom that we prepared. Now it is getting displayed virus source. If I go to the previous virus source readme.exe, virus source readme.exe, virus source that zip one, yeah, document.zip. It is now getting parsed out. This is a custom thing that we wrote, that okay, everything I want here that should be getting parsed.